Hospitals across the Bay Area are preparing for a surge in COVID-19 patients as the state continues to see record numbers in new cases per day. KPIX 5's Kenny Choi tells us hospital resources, especially in the ICU, are being stretched thin tonight.
Tonight, health officials say the Bay Area has a little more than 21% of its ICU capacity remaining. It's still not at the critically low level that two other regions in California have already reached. Hospitals are seeing more patients come in as several counties trend toward reaching the 15% remaining ICU threshold. The question becomes which ones can add more surge capacity beds if needed.
It varies from one county to another, how easy it is to activate these beds, how functional they would be if they're needed. Also, it is an issue of how much ability you have to transfer patients if need be.
California recorded more than 25,000 new coronavirus infections today, an all-time single-day high. Tonight, Santa Clara County reports its remaining ICU bed capacity is at 16%.
We know that a lot of COVID transmission occurred over the Thanksgiving weekend. And while we can't see that yet reflected in our numbers, we do have some early warning metrics that are telling us that that transmission did occur.
There's going to be some wobble in the numbers, but what you want to see is kind of the overall trend and follow that.
Health experts say it's not uncommon for hospitals to operate at 85% ICU capacity.
That it may be too tough to have a stay-at-home order for the entire population if you do have spare beds, and even more so if you have surge capacity that you can add to them.
5 Bay Area counties, San Francisco, Alameda, Contra Costa, Marin, and Santa Clara, have already announced more restrictive stay-at-home orders even before reaching the 15% threshold.
We have very questionable data about the exact extent that these stay-at-home orders are able to contain the epidemic wave. We know that they have other types of harms on mental health, on economy, on society.
Contra Costa County officials say that the number of hospitalized patients with COVID-19 has doubled in the past couple of weeks. In Green Bay, Kenny Choi, KPIX 5.